We'll guide you through how to make bar chart longer in Excel. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because bar charts in Microsoft Excel sometimes look too thin or visually unclear, especially when presenting data. Users want to adjust bar length and thickness to improve readability and presentation quality. Making bars longer helps highlight comparisons, trends, and key values more effectively in reports or dashboards. To begin this tutorial, open Microsoft Excel on your computer or laptop and wait until the Excel Start screen fully appears before continuing to the next action. Open the workbook that contains your bar chart so you can edit the correct file. Make sure the worksheet with the chart is visible on your screen. Click on the bar chart to select it and confirm the chart border appears with resize handles around the edges. Click and drag the corner handle outward to increase the overall chart size, making the chart area larger. Release the mouse to apply the new chart dimensions and review the updated size. Next, click on one of the bars inside the chart to select the data series. Right-click on the selected bar to open the context menu. Choose Format Data Series from the menu to access detailed formatting options. Look for the Series Options section in the formatting panel that appears. Find the gap width setting, which controls the spacing between bars. Reduce the gap width percentage to make the bars thicker and visually longer. Press Enter after adjusting the value to confirm the change. Observe that the bars now appear longer or wider within the chart area. Adjust the gap width again if needed until the bars reach your preferred thickness. Modify the font size of the chart title, axis labels, or legend for better readability. Align the chart properly within the worksheet so it looks balanced and organized. Scroll to check visual balance and ensure the chart fits well with surrounding data. Make final refinements to spacing and layout to enhance clarity and presentation quality. Save your Excel file after finishing the bar chart adjustment to keep all formatting changes applied.